Okay, we've got a sandpit here with these dimensions. One bag of sand costs £2.50. There are 8 litres of sand in each bag. And Sally wants to fill the sandpit with sand. Sally says that the sand will cost less than £70. Show that Sally is wrong. This question is a disgrace. Half the people looking at this question will be male. So it's asking all these males to explain to Sally that she's wrong. This question encourages mansplaining. Absolutely disgraceful. So I have to do this question for you now. So I've got a problem. The only way around it I can see, for the purposes of this question, I'm going to self-identify as a female. So I'm Dr. Jemima, and this is how to do this question. The first thing to do is work out the volume of the sandpit. So volume is 100 centimetres times 60 centimetres times 40 centimetres. So the volume is 6 times 4 is 24 times 1 is 24. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in the unit, centimetres times centimetres times centimetres, why did I write squared there, is centimetres cubed. Okay, so we've got the volume of the sandpit. Now, one bag of sand costs £2.50, we don't need that yet. 8 litres of sand per bag. Okay, so they've given us the volume here in litres, but we've worked out the volume here in centimetres cubed. So we're going to have to use our knowledge that 1 litre equals 1,000 centimetres cubed. Okay? Right. So how do we convert this into litres? Well, I'll show you this little trick. I'm sure you can probably do it in your head. You divide by 1,000, yes. But if you're not sure, this is what you should do. Let's work out what 1 centimetre cubed is in litres. And to convert this into 1, just divide by 1,000. And as you know with equations, that's an equation. 1 litre equals 1,000 centimetres cubed. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So, you have to divide that by 1,000. So 1,000 divided by 1,000 is 1. Okay? So here we've got 1 centimetre cubed equals 1,000th of a litre. Okay? And that is 240,000 centimetres cubed. That's the same as 240,000 times 1 centimetre cubed. So we've got V is 240,000 times 1 cm cubed. Okay? That and that, the same thing. So all we do is substitute in that for 1 centimetre cubed, because 1 centimetre cubed is that. So therefore, volume is 240,000 times 1 centimetre cubed, which is that, times 1,000th of a litre. So that's the full picture on why to convert that into litres you just divide by 1,000. Because look, we've got 240,000 divided by 1,000 litres is that. Okay, so divide by 1,000, just knock off 3 zeros. So the volume is 240 litres, or just L. Okay, right, so we've got the volume in litres, and there's 8 litres of sand per bag. Right, so volume is 240 litres, and we have 8 litres of sand per bag. Write it like this, litres per bag. Okay? Now, we're trying to work out how many bags we need with this information. Look at the units. It's a similar thing to this, faffing with the units to get the right answer. If you're not sure whether to divide 8 by 240 or 240 by 8 or multiply 8 by 240, just look at the units, okay? That's why you should write the units out like this, litres per bag, litres divided by bag. We want the number of bags, so whatever we do to these two, we want to eliminate the L's and just get left with bag, okay? So therefore, if we divide that by that, if we do 240 L divided by 8 L over bag, okay? L on the top, L on the bottom, they cancel. We've got rid of them like we wanted to. And the bag, you see, you're dividing, then dividing again. Okay, so the bag actually, that's the same as it being on the top. So that's the same as 240 over 8 bag, or bags, if you like, which is 30 bags. Okay? Is that clear? It's just a good way, by looking at units, of working out whether to divide or multiply and divide what by what. You simply look at the units of the thing that you want. In this case it was bag, so therefore we knew we had to divide that by that, because that would eliminate the L's and the bag ends up on top. So that's how I knew to divide 240 by 8 to get the number of bags. So 30 bags. One bag costs £2.50, so total cost is, so we've got 30 bags. We can do a unit thing here if you like. 30 bags times, it's £2.50 per bag. It's £2.50 per bag. Look, bags cancel, we're left with just pounds, which is what we want. So 30 times 250 is 75 quid. So I'm afraid Sally was wrong.